Farm. So I usually use the south parking lot here. There's a couple others. A couple other parking lots. The main one is off to the east, like across the street. I like to use the south parking lot. I don't know why you would sit in that lane if you're not turning. Head on in. This is down by the hotel, so just south of the park. Seems like this is a lot less used. Kind of walk around the corner and straight up to the park. Very easy. Once used the main lot, but I came, I think, pretty late in the day, and so I had to park way in the back by the water park. It was a long walk. Usually just go down a few extra rows. It'll be a shorter walk anyway than parking further back. And ideally want to do a row where I'm facing heading out rather than in. It's a little bit easier to leave at the end of the day. Let's go right here. Alright, let's head on in, Knottsberryfarm. Hey guys, themepark Mark here, kicking off this Thanksgiving weekend trip with a visit to Knottsberryfarm in Southern California. It's located a few miles away from Disneyland, which I'll be visiting tomorrow. But I figured I'd hit up this park first because it's actually one of my favorite parks in Southern California. Got an amazing collection of coasters here in such a small, compact land area. So excited to take you guys along with me for the ride as always, and let's giddy up. Alright, I started in the south parking lot, which is usually where I park when I come here. It's over by the hotel. You just kind of walk up and around the corner, and then there's the entrance to the park, and you can kind of see the park here. To me, it's the easiest place to park rather than the main parking lot, but that's just a personal preference. There's the hotel on site. Did not stay here. I've never stayed there before. On this trip I actually stayed at a hotel right down the street, almost within walking distance. Also going to Disneyland, SeaWorld, and then Six Flags on the way back home. So those are the other parks I'll be doing on this weekend. It's good to be back in Southern California. Love it here. Ghostrider. It used to be my #1 Woody. Now it's Voyage, and Beast I think is #2. And this will be #3. Such an amazing wooden coaster. I hear it coming. So confirm that is running. That's where I'll be starting. All these cute little shops here too along the way. Always worth a visit on the way out. Yeah, it's gonna be a busy day. Thanksgiving. A lot of people here. I remember it being crowded last year too. Alright. Wait for security, let's head on in. Knottsberryfarm. Alright, and I'm in, and I'm greeted with a rather large B&M beauty here, Silverbullet. Here it comes. It's one of my favorite inverts. I'm gonna head to Ghostrider first. Welcome to Ghost Town. 1885. Site of a great wooden coaster and a ton of shops too. It's probably the best themed area of the park over here. It's already a pretty long wait. Depending on how many trains, that could be an hour and a half, 2 hour wait, maybe less than that. The fast lane entrance is over here on the side. There's some stairs going up near the exit. Some signs here too that kind of guide you towards it. It's all the way down here. It's like a very short wait for fast lane. Let's have a ride. Ghostrider.
Right now, this is better than Ghostrider. It's smoother.
Yeah.
But if I had, El Toro, Beast, Voyage, Sure, Ravine Flyer 2. So there, you know what I mean? There's 4 right there for sure.
Oh yeah, it's got an El Toro, so this will be number 4.
Yeah.
Number 4 would be.
I even like some of the crazy ones, like Boss and stuff like that. You know?
That's a little too much for me. Too rough.
Too rough?
Yeah.
I enjoy that. I mean, I'm a weirdo that way. Chiropractic crack.
Yeah. Alright, that was row 11, Ghostrider. It's actually my 4th favorite wooden coaster. I forgot about El Toro, so I was talking about in the POV there. I think we head over to Silverbullet next, as it's kind of the closest major coaster. B&M Invert. Just love this western themed area. It's just such a great park. B&M Invert, Silverbullet. Let's have a ride. It's very good B&M Invert. Above average, I'd say. Let's ride.
You are? Weekend, yeah. So maybe if it's open by then, I'll go. What? Maybe go to spring training. It's always open. No, the tower? Yeah. That's what that was there. I don't want my restraint coming out. Don't be scared, bro. Let's look for Scooter Girl. Yeah, where's she? Ah, come here, she clicked.
Dude, look at the GP. All the GP parking.
She's shopping. Oh shit, they're already there.
I didn't get any headbanging.
I didn't get no headbanging either, actually. I got one at the
Stop it.
average, being an invert. Love the length of it. Super comfortable, smooth, no head banging. Just a great ride, and that helix at the end is very intense. So I think up next is either going to be Jaguar or Accelerator, so I'm going to head in that direction. This is a nice new like Fiesta area. This was all like under construction the last time I was here. Construction walls everywhere. I think we're going to do the obligatory ride on Jaguar next, and then probably head up towards Accelerator and HangTime after that. Jaguar's a good family coaster, very long trains on it. It kind of runs like sort of throughout the park or throughout this side of the park. So you get some nice views around. Not an intense coaster at all, but just a good fun family ride. All right, Montezuma's Revenge. Probably coming back next year. A lot of good rides on this. So we'll see how it's like reimagined. And how long the trains are. Have a ride, Jaguar.
So bored. I would have been so bored. I told her that. I was so grateful I had Mark.
You're right. It's all gone.
Yeah, the track's still there though. See it? Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Go through the temple. Go on a trip.
This ride's at weight capacity right now.
Struggling.
Struggling for sure. Oh, here we go!
Hey, Silverbullet.
Here, Calico.
I got my pop.
Alright, so Jaguar, could kind of see Montezuma's Revenge a little bit from there. I think they're halting work on it for the time being just because they had some issues with the contractor cutting a loop out on it, so we'll see what's going on there. So here's Soul Spin. This actually broke down a few days ago, and I heard some riders were stuck up there for a few hours. Thank goodness everybody made it out okay, safely. But yeah, that's definitely shut down for the time being, so definitely no ride on that. Actually, probably would have ridden it on this trip too. So it's a shame. Luckily, no injuries on it, so hopefully they can get that, whatever caused the problem, hopefully they can get that fixed and sorted out soon. So I think up next, gonna head probably towards Accelerator and maybe HangTime, towards the back of the park here, and see what's next after that. In the corner, and there's a big interesting accelerator coaster called Accelerator. Not too many of these left now. Kind of a dying breed with the hydraulic launch. But this one's still going strong. That's what's next. Alright. Let's have a ride. Back row on Accelerator. I'm here with a bunch of coaster enthusiasts, so of course we're doing back row on everything. That's perfectly fine with me. We're gonna finish up the major coasters here with HangTime and then go check out the lounge. that's what's coming up next. All right, hang time. Let's have a ride.
Oh God. Okay, I am actually slightly scared now. I'm sorry, Jack.
Scream like a fancy.
Okay, I am slightly scared now. Okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, that's gone. Oh my God! Oh shit! Okay, I'm actually scared. Why? Oh, I hate it.
Because it is fun. Trains like that. Everybody seems to be scared. Great ride, great Gerst flower. Hang time. Probably get a few more rides on this later. For now, I think it's time to check out the lounge and take a little bit of a break since it's got all the major coasters in. Still a few minor ones to do, as well as some flat rides that I want to get in. Yeah, having a great day so far here at Knott's Berry Farm. Hang time. Alright, after a short break and then a long lunch at Claim Jumper, long Thanksgiving lunch, which is actually very nice, back in the park and headed back over towards the Ghostrider for another ride. And I think after that I'll probably do some flat rides, take you guys along with me on those. And then just kind of keep enjoying the rest of the park and keep doing some re-rides on some of my favorites all throughout the day here. It's been a very nice day so far. Very pleasant weather-wise. The crowd's not too bad. I felt like it was more crowded last year on Thanksgiving. Even the line for Ghostrider has gotten very low right now. I guess as the park starts to filter out for Thanksgiving dinner. But let's have another ride on Ghostrider next. Ooh, yeah, definitely a lot quieter than it was earlier today. Line's not long at all. Let's have another ride, Ghostrider. fantastic ride. Rode free that time. I feel like the operations have gotten much better than the last time I was here. Last time I was here, they were just running one train and very slow on the restraint checking, so it's very slow dispatches. And it's kind of been notorious for that too. But today, 2 trains. They're killing it on the operations and the dispatches today, so fantastic. So yeah, I think up next I might go do a flat ride or 2 and try and wrap up with some other rides that I want to ride within the park, and then just kind of continue riding on the main coasters here. So that's what's coming up next. All right, log flume is next. So let's have a ride, hopefully not get too wet.
Oh no!
Hairless plug was way better. Fuck that ride. Yeah, there was already water in the boat. Oh, that was a wolf. Oh shit. Yeah, you got it rad. Why are we
Settle down up there.
That's half the ride, Mark. Oh no, no, no! Give me a big one. Trying to tuck my phone in. Oh boy, here it is. Oh no! Oh shit! No!
Oh, I got
Not bad, not bad.
Thank God.
That's Timber Mountain, log flume. Didn't get too wet in the back there at all. It's actually very nicely themed. Definitely not Tiana's Bayou, which Maybe I'll be riding tomorrow. I don't know if it's open yet. Probably going to Disneyland tomorrow. But yeah, solid vlog flume. We're gonna do Accelerator next, and then follow that up with the drop tower, Supreme Screen. So that's what's coming up next. Accelerator, amazing as always. Row 11, have to come back for a night ride tonight. Next up, Supreme Screen, Drop Tower. Let's give this a ride. You're safe, Rolla.
Let you down.
Oh!
Don't.
No?
No.
Would you save me, Mark? Would you save me? Oh shit, you see boats.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
That's the Long Beach one,
Oh,
isn't it?
shit.
Yeah.
I've never been able to see that far.
Yeah, I don't think I actually have ever been on this side. You know that?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's the harbor right there. I've never been able to see that far.
Whee!
Oh. Someone's burning that food, man.
Oh, it smells good.
No, that's burnt.
I'm still full
that
from
smells
lunch.
Great.
I'm still way full from lunch.
Yeah, me too. The turkey's floating right now.
Yes.
What are you talking about? It's time for some chicken nugs.
Calico Mine ride up next. Love this little train ride. Heading towards the fast lane entrance. It's over this way. It's right next to Panda. So let's ride Calico Mine.
Yes, sir. Florida's made a lot of dusty old prospectors into millionaires, I tell you. This here underground lake's one of hundreds found all throughout these winding caves. That fellow over there is panning for gold from a sloop, and that other fellow's panning for dinner.
Y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark will all get lost into kingdom come.
This is home. Sure, we use the right mine for home, but also deeper. Here. Huh? Take a look at that. My, what a beautiful sight, I tell you. It ain't often we come across flowing formations like these stalagmites and stalactites. Just wait until you discover. usually don't venture out onto this trestle atop anything heavier than my burro, Mildred. What a gal. So keep your hands and arms inside at all times so as not to upset the ground. Looks like there's some serious work underway up ahead. I'd say we're blasted right into the heart of this here mountain. Say, leave some of that dynamite to me. Drop that train, I've said it's all right. That'll wake you up in the morning.
Alright, head to the back of the park now for Berry Tales. So dark shooting ride. And then I'll probably finish up at the Scrambler and then do a bunch of coasters after that. That is the plan. Let's give it a go on this. I remember it being a pretty decent shooting ride from what I did last year, so it's on the shorter side, but good shooting ride. So let's have a ride on this. My arms got really tired. I didn't do very well. Oh well, still fun ride. It's one of these where you have to like pull the string out to shoot it, so your arms get very tired very quickly on this. Alright, so it's Knott's Berry Tales. It's a 3D ride, so you have like 3D glasses, so obviously didn't film in POV, it's going to be all blurry anyway. Headed over to finish up the couple of flat rides over here, and then we'll do some more coasters, and that'll kind of wrap up the day here at Knott's Berry Farm. So there's a Scrambler, and then there's this Lake Erie Eagles-like ride. It's similar to Lake Erie Eagles at Cedar Point, where you kind of pull the flaps and it kind of swings around. So we're going to do both those flat rides, and then we can finish up with some more coasters. Maybe another ride on HangTime. It did get a little janky earlier, so I'm not sure if I want to do that again, but it looks beautiful at night. Nice location here on the boardwalk here. You got the 2 flat rides and a bad wild mouse that I will not be riding. Let's try the Scrambler first. The line is not too long. I'm not going to wait more than 1 or 2 cycles for it though, but take a look and see what the line looks like. Ghostrider is the name of the wild mouse. I will not be riding that. Nice train going around the park here too.
And please remain seated for the entire duration of your ride. Thank you and enjoy your scrambling.
Your ride on the Pacific Scrambler is slowly coming to an end. When the ride comes to a complete stop, please watch your step and exit carefully from your cars. Thank you for riding the Pacific Scrambler and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Knott's Berry Farm.
Best light pack in the park.
Look at that lighting. Beautiful. HangTime at night. Probably get 1 ride on this before heading out. But for now, we're going to start with the Accelerator for our night rides. I'll put in a couple night rides before closing out the video. any of these left. I think just Storm Runner, Stealth. I'm not sure what if there are any others of these intimate accelerator coasters. Dying breed, but still a fun ride.
Alright, racers, if you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, scream.
I'm just mesmerized. Is there a better lighting package on a ride? Hang time. Let's have a night ride. It's the whole point.
It is the whole point. It's really weird. I'm gonna tuck myself in so I get a decent.
Sit back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it always pinches.
The older you get, the worse it is. Time to hang! Oh! Ow! Time to party! Let's go! Ow!
The lights are even synchronized with the music. This was the front row ride on Hang Time. Beautiful ride to look at. One of my favorites here at Knott's Berry Farm. Not my favorite overall, that's still Ghostrider, but this is a solid ride. A little janky in one of the transitions, but other than that, great actual hang time, hence the name. Great ride, and a great night ride too. So next up, we'll finish up with the night ride on Silverbullet and Ghostrider, and that will wrap up the visit here to Knott's Berry Farm. All right, night ride, Silverbullet, row 6. Let's have a ride. Yeah. beautiful lights in the kid area here. Making my way over to Ghostrider for the last ride of the night. Very beautiful, well-lit area around here.
Like Goliath.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have good reasons.
No. No. I watch those damn ops all the time. I'm like, man, you got to be looking at your lift hill.
Yeah.
Stop the bullshit.
Yeah.
And that's the only camera.
That's it?
Yeah.
Huh.
Best job right here.
Flying into it.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. That's got the better air time, I think. Yeah. This thing's flying right now. Honestly, that was like a summer ride.
Whew, Ghostrider. Wow, that was hauling after a full day of operations with 2 trains. That was really hauling. Probably one of the best rides I've had on that. Row 2. It's a great way to close out the night here at Knott's Berry Farm. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, as always. Sticking around to the very end club. Up next tomorrow is going to be Disneyland and California Adventure. Hopefully it's not too busy, but it'll be day after Thanksgiving, so I'm expecting crowds. I'll do my best to get on as many rides as possible. Genie Plus, we'll do it. Full day. So with that, signing off from Knott's Berry Farm. Day 1 of Thanksgiving weekend. Take care, guys. One of these days, Knott's Hotel.